Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to 2023. Here are my 3 tips for this year to make sure that you have successful events all year long. All right, tip number 1, check for 24-hour holds on all of your meeting space. Pull out those contracts and check and make sure that you have 24-hour holds, and make sure that all of your meeting space shows the holds as well. If you don't have 24-hour holds, that means that everything that you set up might have to tear down to make room for another event, someone else's event, and then you have to reset everything again. Avoid those issues now, or at least make sure that you're aware of them early enough to plan for them. Tip number 2, what's your weather backup? Make sure that you've got a good weather backup for any outdoor events. Let's say you have an enormous welcome party, you have a great theme, you've got all kinds of decor and games and entertainment. But if you do have bad weather, where does all of that go? Make sure that you have a space for that and that space actually works to be able to execute that type of an event. It's kind of Murphy's Law. If you have a great backup space, you never have to use it. But if you don't, that might be the time that you end up wishing that you had it. So make sure that you have good weather backup. Number 3, make sure that you have your proper load-in and load-out times for all of your events. You are going to need production time to set up, to tear down, and you can avoid a lot of issues or mistakes on the production end if you have the proper time to set up, test everything out, and you will be smooth sailing all year long in 2023. Thanks, everybody.